Have you ever sent a Swift MT103 payment and later realized you need a refund? Whether due to a wrong beneficiary, transaction error, or fraud suspicion, getting a refund for an MT103 transfer can be challenging. In this guide, we'll explain the MT103 refund process, reasons for refunds, and steps to follow to recover your funds. What is MT103 in Swift transfers? MT103 is a standard message format used for international wire transfers under the Swift network. It provides details about the sender, receiver, amount, and transaction reference. Since it is a legally binding proof of payment, reversing an MT103 transfer is not automatic and depends on various factors. Can you get a refund on an MT103 transfer? Unlike domestic transfers, MT103 payments are settled internationally and can be challenging to recall. However, a refund is possible under specific conditions. Duplicate payment. If the same transaction was processed twice. Fraudulent transaction. If the transfer was unauthorized or fraudulent. Incorrect beneficiary details. If the funds were sent to the wrong account. Regulatory or compliance issues. If banks block the transaction due to AML, anti-money laundering rules. Steps to request an MT103 refund. Contact your bank immediately. As soon as you realize the mistake, get in touch with your bank and provide all the transaction details. Share the MT103 copy, which includes the transaction reference, date, amount, sender, and receiver details. Request a payment recall, either through Swift MT192 or MT199. Banks use MT192, which is a request for cancellation, or MT199, a general free format message to initiate a refund request. The beneficiary's bank must agree to reverse the funds. If the recipient has already withdrawn the money, recovery becomes, well, quite difficult. First, await the response from the receiving bank. The beneficiary's bank will investigate and respond. If the refund is possible, funds are credited back within 7 to 15 business days. Next, pay refund charges if applicable. Some banks charge a Swift recall fee, typically between $25 to $100. Intermediary banks may also deduct charges before returning the amount. Follow up with your bank regularly. Regular follow-ups ensure faster resolution. If the recipient refuses to return funds, legal action may be required. How long does an MT103 refund take? Refund timelines depend on multiple factors, including bank processing time, which is usually 1 to 3 weeks, response from the beneficiary's bank, compliance checks, or regulatory holds. If a refund is delayed, escalate the issue with the bank's dispute resolution team. In conclusion, getting a refund on an MT103 Swift transfer requires quick action, bank coordination, and proper documentation. Always verify transaction details before sending payments to avoid refund hassles. If you found this guide helpful, share it with others facing MT103 refund issues.